one and only Hare Rama Hare.
Hi, hello friends. Good morning. My name is Manya. Please support my mother channel. That channel name is Nandini Ji Kannada Vlogs. Today in our school they are celebrating Kannada Rajyotsava and Children's Day. We will show that how the dance will be. We will show that performance, how they will perform in the stage, that they plan to do teachers and students to be dancer. And this is my classmates boys. They are going to do dance about Kannada Rajyotsava. They are doing very nice. That song name is Avva Kano Kannada. It is too good dance that all was clapping more, and they was putting visual for that dance. We can't put that sound because my mother channel will get copyrighted. Here one girl is dancing. She put it like sari. She is my mother friend. Her friend daughter. Her name is Sanu. She's looking so cute, and this said she put it like lehenga in yellow and multicolor. She is my best friend Kusum's sister. She's so cute. It was the most pretty dance of LKG students. This girls is from third standard. They are doing Kolata dance for Chalve Chalvo Tani Tandana. These both are my mother's friend. One auntie name is Suprita and another auntie name is Saubhagya. These seniors last year who took out of out in Kannada, they are doing for them Sanmana. These boys are from 7th standard. They are doing dance for Kannadada Matu Chenna, Kannadada Nella Chenna, Kannadigar Manasu Chinna. For that song they are doing dance.
ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ವಿಶಾಲ ಸಮೃದ್ಧ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ
ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯನ ಮಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಮಗಳು
6ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ
She is going to do comedy. All of you listen.
ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಶರಣು ಅನ್ರಿ. ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಇರಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗ ಹಿಂಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಿರಿಯರು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ರೀ ಅವ್ವ ಅಂದ್ರು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ರೀ ಅಂದೆ. ಅವರ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತಿದ್ರಿ. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ನೋಡಕ್ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನನಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ
ಬಾಟಿ ನಾಳೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ನಾಳೆನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿಂತಿಸಬೇಡಿ ಅತ್ತೆ.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ಟು ಸೇ, ತಾಯಿ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಡೆದಂತ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ವೀರ ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಅತ್ತೆ ಅತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅತ್ತೆ? ಅತ್ತೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ ಅತ್ತೆ, ಅತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅತ್ತೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ವೀರ ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾನಂತೆ.
ಕಂದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ, ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹಿಗಳ ಒಳಸಂಚಿಗೆ ವೀರ ಮರಣವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ನೋವಿನ ಸಂಗತಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿನೂ ನಿನ್ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪನ ಸಾವಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣರಾದ ಆ ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಹೋರಾಡಿ ಜಯಗಳಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅವರ ಮಾರಣ ಹೋಮ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತೇನೆ ಕಂದ.
ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅತಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ. ಇದು ಬರೀ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಅಲ್ಲ,
Now she is doing one dance. She is one parent. I was not thought that parents can also dance, but that day they told someone parents should dance means dance, singing or dramas. Please give name this auntie and another one auntie. They gave name, and this is Kirtana sister. She is my senior. She is from 6th standard. Her mother she is also going to dance for Yellow Jinigirva Neeru Yellow. And these sisters are from 7th standard. They are going to do dance for Apsara Kali Re. It is in trending. All are doing the dance. These boys are from 3rd standard. They are going to do dance for Hindi song. It was also nice. And this is our teachers. They are going to dance for the ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಆರತಿ ಊರಿಗೆ ಕೀರುತಿ ಸಾಂಗ್. And these students are from 4th standard. They are doing dance for Ramaya, Vastavaya and Om Shanti Ho. For that song they are doing dance. And these teachers they are doing dance for Don't Worry Baby Chinamma and Hey Minnale, Hey Minnale. And now one and only mine dance. I put a full pink color lehenga. Now we are going to dance for Jilka Jilkare and San Sananare and Gulabi Sharara song dance with my team girls. Now our HM and Sneha ma'am, they are going to dance for Hindi song. It was also nice and pretty and beautiful also. Sabira ma'am was looking very cute and beautiful. Sneha ma'am also was dancing beautiful and pretty. Who had got liked this video, please support my mother channel, like, share and comment, and don't forget to do subscribe. And this video I only did editing and voiceover because my mother was busy. And thank you for watching. Please support me and my mother channel.